So what we have done, we have taken the seed, we have purchased the seed from the market, and we have grown the saplings on our own. Then we have we have transplanted them into the pots. So, and the potting mix has again been created by us. It consists of 30% soil, 30% cocoa peat, and 30% vermicompost. Basically, generally people go out to purchase saplings. We have not done that. We have done it right from the step of purchasing seed. And we have purchased desi seeds. We have not used any sorts of chemicals or any synthetic things. It's completely organic and natural. Okay, so let's look at this. It's Katli Palak. It's basically a rare form of spinach. We had bok choy in that, but it's already finished because we have harvested it.
Bok choy.
Yeah, and this is again tomato.
Tomato.
And this is cauliflower. Let's
Cauliflower.
quickly go through.
It's not grown yet.
Yeah, it'll be ready to harvest in maybe a month's time. Acha, look at this. This is chucundar. Khushi, dekho, beta. Chucundar. Yes, it is beetroot. Okay, see the beautiful leaves it has.
Wow, that's cool.
Nice.
We put in
Acha,
the
look at this
carrot.
cauliflower. It's big in size.
It'll
eventually turn even bigger.
Cauliflower. We put
Yeah.
chucundar and carrot juice.
Acha, Khushi, we can stop the video. We can.